Marlins and Mets in a marathon. Jose Fernandez opposed by Matt Harvey. The last time these two hooked up, the game went 15 innings, but that would prove to be mere child's play compared to this one. Pick it up, bottom four, game tied at 1. It is Fernandez getting Ike Davis, John Buck, and Juan Lagares all on called third strikes. As he strikes out the side, Fernandez 6 innings of 1-run balls, 7 Ks in this one. Top of the 5th, Matt Harvey in a 2-on-2-out jam. Juan Pierre singles up the middle. Adeiny Hechavarria looking to score. Juan Lagares, a great throw. Hechavarria out by plenty. Top 6, Harvey getting Ed Lucas and Derek Dietrich both on strikes for the first 2 outs of the frame. And then getting Rob Brantley to end the 7th. Harvey 7 innings of 1-run ball, but in the bottom of the 7th, running rather gingerly between first and second, something is amiss. He departed this game prior to the top of the 8th with lower back tightness. Bottom 9, the Mets have 2 on and 2 down. Dan Jennings dealing to Daniel Murphy. Derek Dietrich with a great play to send this one to extras. Bottom 12, it is Marlon Byrd who flies to right with runners on the corners. Marcell Ozuna the catch. Murphy looking to end the game. Ozuna with a great throw. Rob Brantley hangs on to it. Bottom 13, Kevin Slowey strikes out Omar Quintanilla to end the frame. Bottom 15, he gets Rick Ankiel on the swing and a miss. And then Quintanilla one more time. Are you still awake? Good. You're doing better than this guy. Bottom of the 17th inning, it is Slowey facing Ankiel. Again gets him on strikes to end the frame. Slowey 7 innings of scoreless relief with 8 Ks. He was outstanding. Top of the 20th inning, Sean Markham in his 8th inning of relief. He faces Adeiny Hechavarria, 2 men aboard.
Line drive, base hit center field. Round third, here comes Polanco. The Marlins score the run, and it's 2-1 here in the 20th.
That takes us to the bottom of the 20th inning. Steve Cishek looking to close this out as he faces Daniel Murphy.
Fly ball, left field, that's deep, and ball game! Let's go home!
Couldn't agree more. After 6 hours and 25 minutes, the Marlins pick up the 2-1 victory in 20 long innings as the Mets set an all-time record for futility by going 0 for 19 with runners in scoring position. It was the longest game in Citi Field history, and it matched the longest game in Marlins history. It was also the first 20-inning game since April of 2010, which also involved the Mets and also involved a 2-1 score. But the Mets won that day as they beat St. Louis. It also marked the first time since 1884 that the same pair of starting pitchers opposed one another in 2 separate games lasting 15 innings or more in the same season.